All right, here's the unboxing video for my Fabspeed exhaust. It's a muffler delete. Came in a nice box, nicely packaged. Has a lot of packages inside to make sure that the slip-on doesn't get damaged. So done a great job with the packaging. A little bit of hardware for the installation. So you can see quite a bit of packaging on the inside as well to make sure that the product doesn't get damaged in transit. So this is the muffler delete version of the Fabspeed exhaust. It's available for most of their products. This particular one is made for the 2018 BMW M2. It's a muffler delete, so the mufflers obviously go away, and this is just a slip-on, goes after the catalytic converter toward the end, removes the muffler and replaces it with a straight pipe. So it comes in 4 pieces. Let me just lay that down over here. Let's give me the left side. Here's the right side. And here is the part that's going to slip on the exhaust and attach like so. So here's where you're going to have to cut the stock OEM. It's a 3-inch exhaust, and attach this. You have already 2 hangers that are gonna go into the OEM slots, so the install should be relatively simple. I'll post another video on the install and the sound. As you can imagine, the sound's gonna be a lot more robust because the mufflers themselves are missing. So can't wait to hear that. I'm sure my neighbors are gonna be very happy about this, but we'll see. Some nice touches here by Fabspeed. This is the stainless steel version of the exhaust. I just weighed it. It's about 18.8 pounds. I've chosen the brushed stainless steel tips. Quality of the welds seems very good. Look at the other side. It's nicely done. On the inside, you can kind of tell the tip is obviously wider than the pipe itself, so there's a little bit of a kind of housing on the side there, but seems to be very cleanly executed, nicely done. Now let's look at the other one. Couple nice touches here. Well done, nicely executed. Very happy. Initial impressions are this is a high quality product. Nicely done. So can't wait to put that on. As I said, I'm going to do another video later today. I'm going to a shop to have this installed. So I'll do a video about the sound before and after. This should be considerably louder. And I'm interested to see if there are any weight savings. I expect maybe 10 pounds since the mufflers are gone. Nice touches here, and then they let you know who made it. Pretty nicely done. Can't wait to put that on. So stand by on that video, and should have that out in the next 24 hours or so.